children, today we have to learn in standard 9 subject social science chapter number 7. The name of the chapter is Post Independence India. What is the name of the chapter, dear children? The name of the chapter is Post Independence India. It means Swatantrotter Bharat. The article for Indian independence was passed in the British Parliament in the year 1947. What happened, dear children? You have to underline in your textbook. The article of Indian independence was passed into the British Parliament. Which Parliament? In the British Parliament in the year 1947. So, the article of India's independence was passed into the British Parliament in the year 1947. According to this article, now what happened, dear children? According to the article, India and Pakistan got its existence. What happened, dear children? Here in 1947, British Parliament passed India's independence, and according to them, what happened? That according to that article, India and Pakistan got its existence. There were two major problems before the country. Now what happened, dear children? Here now there were two major problems before the country. First, the framing the Constitution of India. Which first problem is there after the independence of 1947? First, the framing of the Constitution of India. The second problem is there to put an end to the sovereignty of the British Empire on the princely state and merging them into the making and intact of the India. Second one is the most important. Which one? To put an end to the sovereignty of the British Empire as well as the princely states were merged into making one intact India. These two major problems before the country are facing the after the independence. Now at that time there were the 562 princely states are there. Now what happened, dear children? After the independence of India in 1947, there were how many? 562 princely states are there. States, out of them 48% princely states were states in the total area of the India. If you have to see the total area of the India, that time the 48% of the princely state, it means the whole in the total areas of the India. It means we can say that the 48% princely state states in the total area of the India. Total how many princely states are there in 1947 after the independence? 562 princely states are there, and 20% of India's population resided in the princely states. If you have to see about the population, then we can say that near about the 20% of the population resided, it means living in the princely states. Kashmir, Hyderabad and Mysore were the big states. Which are the big princely states, dear children? Then you have to remember that Kashmir, Hyderabad and the Mysore are the three are the big states. Other states were small. And other states are there, but they were smaller. There were the states which were too small and whereas village in the form. What happened there? In this 552 princely state, if you have to see, some states were so much small that they are in the form of the village. It was a mammoth task to conceive this king and Nawab. Moreover, it was done very speedily. Now what happened, dear children? This is the very difficult task, and also to convince these people, it means to convince the king as well as the Nawab of this princely state. More it was, these things was to be done into the very speedily. After gaining the independence, dear children, what happened that after gaining the independence, Maharaja of the Bhavnagar, underlining, dear children, after the gaining of the independence, Maharaja of the Bhavnagar, Krishna Kumar Singh, who won Maharaja of the Bhavnagar, Krishna Kumar Singh was the first first king to start a responsible government on the 15th January 1948 at Bhavnagar state was merged with the Union Saurashtra state. So what happened that here children? This is the most important thing and you have to underline it. Which is the first state who merged this princely state into the as per the Indian constitution? Then we can say that after the gaining the independence, the Maharaja of the Bhavnagar, Krishna Kumar Singh, was the first king to start the responsible government. So Bhavnagar state was merged with the United Saurashtra state, which was created due to efforts of the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on the 15th February 1948. To this you have to underline here children in your textbook. The event of the formation of United Saurashtra. What happened then here children? Here the whatever the event for the formation of the United Saurashtra state was described by the Jawaharlal Nehru as the most notable merger in the contemporary history. What the Jawaharlal Nehru was saying here children? Jawaharlal Nehru said that it is the one kind of the most notable merger in the contemporary history done by the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel appealed to the kings as well as the Nawab of the princely state that they should voluntarily forsake the respective state in the interest of their subject as the union of the India. Now what happened in the children? That time we can say that the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel requested appeal king as well as the Nawab of the princely state that they should voluntarily forsake the respective states in the interest of their subject in the union of the India. He stimulated the nationalism. What happened that here children? We can say that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel stimulated the nationalism. King Rajwada and the Nawab contributed in the making of strong, integrated and prosperous India. What the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel said that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel said that he stimulated the nationalism as well as he said that the king, Rajwada and Nawab are contributing in making of the strong, integrated and prosperous India. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel assured that to protect the rights as well as the interests. What Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel given the assurance to the king, Rajwada and Nawab, they given the assurance that they will protect the rights as well as the interest of Sardar Patel and his secretary of the Home Department, Mr. V.P. Menon. Underlining dear children, be careful. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is the secretary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel at that time of the Home Department, Mr. V.P. Menon, prepared one draft of the attachment bond and status of Q agreement. What happened there? We can say that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and his secretary Mr. V.P. Menon prepare one draft, and this draft it is known as attachment bond. Attachment bond it means jodan khatam, and also they have to prepare the status quo agreement. Which one? Status quo agreement. It means जैसे थे करार. Concerned minister and a joint committee of the king gave a final say of this. King were happy by this draft. Whatever the draft was prepared by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel as well as Mr. V.P. Menon, maximum kings were happy from that draft. Except, if you have to see that, except Kashmir, Hyderabad and Junagadh. Which one? Except Kashmir, Hyderabad and Junagadh. 559 princely states accepted this instrument of accession and joined the unions of India. Now what happened the dear children? Here, out of 562, we can say that 559 princely states accept this instrument of accession and join the union of the India. Now which three are the accept? Kashmir, Hyderabad and Junagadh. Now in detail we have to learn one by one about Hyderabad, Kashmir and the Junagadh. It means merger of Hyderabad, Junagadh and Kashmir. Now first of all dear children, we have to learn about the merger of the Hyderabad. Which one? Merger of the Hyderabad. Nizam of the Hyderabad with its state formed the southern part of India, declare its independence. Now what happened dear children? Nizam of the Hyderabad with its state formed the southern part of India, declare its independence on the 15th of August. As per its geographical location, if you have to see, as per the geographical location of the Hyderabad, then it was bound to join the India. But the fact was brought to their notice that Hyderabad won't be able to remain as an independent state as it's surrounded by the Indian territory. Now what happened dear children? Already we know that the Kashmir, Hyderabad and Mysore are three big princely states. Out of them, Hyderabad is the independent state and surrounded by the Indian territory, and this is the said by the Nizam. But the Nizam clarified the matter by saying that in case of the countries divided, then owing to the geographical region, they would not be able to join Pakistan and they would not be able to join India owing to its ideological region. Now what Nizam has declared? Nizam has declared that after the independence of 15th August, now Nizam declared that we cannot join with the Pakistan as well as we cannot join with the India as per their ideological region. Under such circumstances, they would prefer to remain the independence. Now what happened dear children? Under these circumstances, now the Nizam of the Hyderabad think and the prefer that to remain the independence. Negotiation beginning with the Nizam. Now what happened there? Now negotiation started by the India as well as the Pakistan through the Nizam. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel bluntly stated to the negotiator of the Nizam of the people of the Hyderabad are eager to be with the Union of India. At that time, what happened there? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel bluntly states to the negotiation of the Nizam, and they were too eager that the Nizam would join with the Union of the India. Meanwhile, the Nizam officers started committing the atrocity on the people of the Hyderabad. At that time, what happened there? The officers of the Nizam started committing the atrocity on the people of the Hyderabad, and that's why ultimately the Hyderabad was merged with the Union of India by using the police force on 18th September 1948. Underlining dear children, what happened there? Ultimately, the Hyderabad was merged with the Union of India by using of the police force on the 18th September 1948. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel assurance given to the Nizam to protect all their interests. Kanhaiya Lal Munshi here play a very crucial role in the entire episode. Underlining what happened there with the merger of the Hyderabad with the Union of the India. That time the Kanhaiya Lal Munshi play a crucial role for entire episode to joining the Hyderabad into the Union of the India. After the reforming of the state of Hyderabad was later included into the Andhra Pradesh. And after what happened dear children, we can say that after the reforming of the state, that time the Hyderabad was later included into the